subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Lenovo-owned Motorola has launched the successor of Moto G41 smartphone in India as Moto G42. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G42 features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 90.9% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Moto G42 supports a triple camera setup in the rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with a 1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 118° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with a f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box with 3 years OS updates by the company. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 20W turbo power charging. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it has Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience, and it is also IP52 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.61 by 73.47 by 8.26mm, and it weighs around 174.5 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto G42 price has been set in India at 13,999 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale starting from July 11th in Atlantic green and metallic rose color options. So what do you guys think of this Moto G42 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.